Hey guys, Kitty Cat here. Meow. Today I didn't really make the sign because I'm holding a bucket. I'm sorry if you can't see me very well. The sun is glaring straight at me. Here, how about this? No. That could help though. Oh, hi Zeus. This is one of my grandma's cats. Hi Zeus. Want to say hi? No? Okay. He doesn't want to say hi. So who cares? But yeah, he's more of an inside cat. He's half Siamese, half, I don't remember what it was, but, yeah. Oh, that's a big spider. I hate spiders. I gotta, no, Zeusy, no, stay here. Am I gonna have this situation again? I'll only have it once. I should only have it once anyway. Gotta grab that. There we go. I'll have it like that for now until we come back, and then I'll have one hand open. Yeah, so I don't have any pockets on me. Oh, but here comes the lovely shade. So yeah, we're just going to the piggies. I have to drop something off. I don't know what it's called. Well, my grandpa took some corn, so I gotta grab the stuff and feed it to the piggies. So this is gonna be hard with one hand. Okay, you're gonna barely see anything in a second here, because I gotta put this down. Where should I put it? I don't know. I shouldn't put it there. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to put it. I don't know. I'll put you down on the ground. Just for now, okay? So, yeah. There we go. Okay, so, alrighty then. Oh wait, I won't have one empty hand. I just remembered I gotta take the bucket with me. Hello, horsies. So, Tip and Jack, hello. The white one's Tip, the brown one's Jack. So yeah, they're actually very nice horses, except one isn't that kid friendly. One is. So yeah, they haven't. Oh, Zeus! Zeusy! I better go grab him. So yeah, I'll come back and grab him. So I better close the gate. Zeusy, you gotta come back in a second. So I'll close it like that for now. So yeah, I'll come back and get him. So yeah, my grandma's gonna be selling the boat because we tried to go fishing a little bit ago. So it doesn't really work. Yeah, sorry if you can barely see me. I can barely even see the camera because the sun is there. Hi, bye. So, yeah. Hi, Simba. Yeah, Simba's actually a really good cat. So we'll leave that bucket there. Let's go back and get Zeus. So I have my bike here. My mom is here. And yeah, so I don't actually physically live in the country. I live inside, in town. I live inside of town, is what I was going to say. And yeah, so come on, Zosie. Hi, buddy. Now I gotta latch this up all the way, so I technically latched it up this way for no reason, and I just spit on my screen. Again. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? He's like, what's going on? Why are you holding your foot like that? Hey, get over here. I'm bringing you inside. Ow! Aw. Simba, come. Zeus! Simba was just trying to help. Susie! So, fine, babe. No. Not fine. Fine. Okay. Yes, that is a fine. Come on, Simba. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. No. They're just gonna stay there. Okay, so yeah. I'm just gonna go inside. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Yeah. Cat lovers, rescue cat. Bye, and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if this is the first video you've seen by me. Bye.